Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nurture Natural Way of Living. Today we are going to make makhana kheer and it is very healthy recipe. I am making it for my daughter. So what we need is we need couple of cashews, some kishmish, a bowl of makhana, one glass of milk and little bit of ghee for roasting makhanas. I have cardamom powder as well, elaichi powder. So this I have taken from 2 to 3 elaichis. I am making very small quantity of kheer. So accordingly I am taking the material. So we will add ghee to the pan and let it get hot. Then we will add these makhanas or fox nuts. Some people also call it lotus seeds. We will move it in the pan and let the makhanas roast. We need to ensure that these makhanas don't get burnt. So you have to ensure that you keep it moving whenever the pan is hot. Adjust the flame of the pan. You can keep it medium on a medium flame. I am also adding cashews because we need to roast them as well. So now the cashews are already roasted. I will take out the cashews. I will keep makhana there only because it needs some more time to get roasted. I am still moving the makhanas in the pan. Now we can check it by pressing the makhanas, and if it gets break like that, that means it is crunchy and it is roasted now. I have moved this into the grinding jar where I need to crush it. I will do it very coarsely, I will not make a fine powder. So I just did the one rotation and we have it grinded. Now we will add milk to the jar or to the pan. Pan is still hot and we will wait for it to boil. It is boiling now. So we will add makhana to the milk, the crushed makhana. After adding it, we will mix it properly and we will keep this on low flame. The milk will get thickened over the time and we need to keep this milk for like 5 to 6 minutes. That would be sufficient. Now we will add natural sugar to it. I am adding khand. So this is a bit different from the processed sugar. This don't have sulfur and other chemicals. It's prepared naturally from cane sugar. So we'll mix this. So this step is done after the milk has already thickened and the kheer is ready. Now we have turned off the flame and I am adding the cardamom powder into it. Cardamom powder enhances the taste of a kheer a lot. We'll mix it properly and the kheer is ready. Move it to a bowl and serve it hot, or you can keep it in fridge as well and let it cool. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you. Enjoy this dish.